Plastic. Made in U.S. Piezo Igniter with bracket. Piezo. Piezo Igniter. Brand name, Rheem. The Rheem SP14410 is a piezo igniter and bracket. HVAC replacement part Rheem SP14410. Get your system working properly once again with replacement parts. Top reviews from the United States. Great for dead Bernzomatic sparker. After some digging around on the internet, I found out that this is a common part for some of the Bernzomatic torches. So I tracked this down on Amazon and, sure enough, I find that others have done it too. Better than spending another $45 minus $55 plus or whatever ridiculous price they are now to get a new torch.